Hello everybody, my name is Sharon George and today we're going to discuss the second experiment of System Software and Compiler Lab, which is symbol table. So the aim is that we have to write a program to scan the input program and generate a symbol table. Note, symbol table should contain the information of all the identifiers including the function name. Before moving on to the program, let's just read a brief description about the program. A symbol table is a data structure that contains all the attributes about the identifiers that must be passed between different phases of a compiler or interpreter in a program. A symbol has at least the following attributes: symbol name, its data type, address, the value, etc. For function, its name, the return type, the number of parameters passed, and its type has to be spelled out. Let's move on to the program. So here we have the program. We've done it in Python. We've used PyCharm as the IDE. As you can see, we have created an empty list called tokens here, then IDs, which is another empty list, and we have a list of keywords here: int, string, char, float, and double, and operators plus, minus, star, division, equal to, and less than. And for punctuations, we have uh, a set of brackets, a set of curly brackets, and a set of square brackets, and comma. Now here the text file is t.txt. So with open t.txt, using a is equal to t.readlines, we'll read everything. And for t in a, tokens is equal to tokens.t.split on the basis of space. So let's just move on to t.txt and see what we have. So this is the program that we have. And now we have to create a symbol table out of all the symbols present in this program along with its data type and the parameter numbers. Uh, Okay, so here you can see print ID data type, value, R type, that is the return type, number of arguments, which is no args, and T type of arguments. Okay, now for position comma T, for pos comma T in enumerate tokens, for K in keywords, if T is equal to K, then what you have to do is IDs dot append it to tokens in position plus 1. If tokens position plus 2 is equal to comma, if it's a comma, then print tokens pos plus 1 plus, just give a space, and then tokens position plus none. Tokens dot insert position plus 3 comma tokens pos. Now else if that's not the true case, then else if the second condition is tokens position plus 2 is equal to a bracket, then end is equal to tokens dot index, the closed bracket. Para is equal to tokens pos plus 3 for end, and kc is equal to 0, and we create another punctuation list which is empty right now. So for key in keywords, kc is equal to kc plus para dot count key, and I is equal to 0. While I is less than para dot count of key, pt dot append key, and I is equal to I plus 1. Now you have to print it in this format, so try to write it in this format so that you get a table format. Else if that's also not the true case, then what we will have is tokens position minus 1 is equal to the curly brace. Then you have to just continue. Else, the final thing, if none of these conditions match, what you have to do is print tokens position plus 1, give a space, and tokens position plus 3. So that's the program, and let's just run it. As you can see, we have run the program, and we can see. Let's move to the t.txt file and compare. Okay, so ID, we have three identifiers here: a, b, c, and one function factor. So as you can see, you can match it with the text file and the output here. And then the data type is a is of int type, b is also of int type, c is of float type, and function is of double type. So you can see here double. Now, so that's the return type actually. So it won't be mentioned in data type, it will be mentioned in R type. So you can see we have double below R type. And then value. So A and B have values of, A has null value, B has a value of 10, and C has a value of 8. And number of arguments in factor function is 1, and the type of argument is int. So that's how you have to convert it into a symbol table. So that's the second experiment of Compiler Lab. I hope you understood. Thank you.